It was Stella Adler who said, "Life beats down and crushes the soul. And art reminds you that you have one." In cats, I find art, I find inspiration, and I find truth. The first time I saw the OMG cat on YouTube, I wept. Not since Laurence Olivier in Richard III have I seen a performance so captivating, so raw. It was as if everything I ever learned at Juilliard or from my years of theater was completely useless to me. Everything I needed to know about the human condition, I could learn from a cat. I practice technique with my scene partner, Peppers, anywhere from 2 to 5 hours a day.
You have pointy ears.
Peppers has led to a real breakthrough in my work.
Meow.
I've been influenced by some of the greats. Stalking Cat, Kitten vs. Watermelon, and of course who could forget Keyboard Cat. I mean, it's no mistake that the top 10 cat videos have reached over 490 million hits on YouTube. I mean, the days of boring human videos are done. I'm branching out. I've recently found a role that combines my passion for musical theater and my love of cats. My one-man show, The Cat Man Cometh, will debut this spring at the Antelope Valley Theater. My only regret is that I have one life to give to this craft, and not 9. Not 9.